So we're at Munson Hills, a lot of progress coming along. We've started putting our sewer treatment plant in. We've got a good start on it. We'll be putting our pump station in next and setting that up and then tying it in. We've started on our entrance. You can see here that we've closed in the ditch where it previously was and opened up our pond across here and finished digging this front pond in up here.
We're out here at Munson Hills. It's all coming together. Probably about 75,000 yards of dirt still to move. Next is the lift station on the sewer side and the manholes. So all that's starting in phase A. I'm hoping to try to get phase A done sometime in January, depending on the weather.
We'll have 2 large articulating dump trucks running, a mid-size track hoe or excavator. We'll have at least 1 dozer, usually 2. One that'll be tending to the track hoe or excavator that'll be pushing dirt up or telling him where to dig. It's usually our I machine, our intelligent machine that has the dirt work plan in it. And then we'll have just a regular machine that'll be spreading the dirt out that's being hauled from the hole.
59 unique custom homes. This has been a fantastic learning experience here at Munson Hills, from the acquisition of the land all the way to the development and the building of the ponds. It has been very educational and can't wait to do it again.
As soon as we final plat, we're gonna break ground on 3 to 5 custom, big, nice homes and just go full-fledged and not stop.
We're bringing a product that's never been seen by Zachary or East Baton Rouge Parish before. Stay tuned to find out. Keep up with our YouTube channel to learn more.